Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. So in this video, we're actually going to start the process of doing some performance modifications to the ML55. First thing that I want to do on this is actually install a custom air intake. Pretty much this air intake, I'll go a little bit over it and show you exactly what the specs are on it. So that would be first. Also, don't mind my voice, I'm a little bit underneath the weather. But yeah, that'll be first for the intake. Second thing would be the exhaust. And once we're done with the exhaust and the air intake, we'll go ahead and get the stage 1 tune on the ECU. Possibly get a stage 2 TCU as well, or maybe just wait it out a little bit before getting that. But it's always great to tune your transmission when you get a stage 1 tune on it. So we'll go ahead and dive in on this video here real quick. All right, so let me show you exactly how the tubing looks like on this. So this is pretty much the 3.5. I'm not too sure about the stock one. I think it's pretty close to the stock tubing, but this is a 3.5. I've got a coupler here that can attach to the master flow sensor, which is sitting right there. And this is pretty much a heat shield to protect heat from the engine from going into the intake. But pretty much this is gonna be sitting as close as possible to where the stock air comes into the intake. But I'll show you guys exactly how everything looks like. So this is pretty much the setup. Going back here, I really wanted to switch out this whole system back here, but after doing more research and finding out that it's a pretty tight space to fit a consistent 3.5-inch tubing all the way down there and attaching to the throttle body. I mean, obviously this I took off separately a while ago just to inspect it, and the way this is engineered, it's perfect, to be honest. Like I mean, this is as close as a 3.5. So, you know, pretty much I just decided to go with this style into this. I mean, I measured this over here. It's pretty much close to, or pretty much the same thing as the 3.5. Now, one thing I actually saw on Anderson's video, I've talked about his YouTube channel. If you guys haven't heard of Anderson, definitely go check out his channel. But he has this off of his master flow sensor, and underneath of it, there's a silver mesh grill over there. He has that off as well. To be honest, I feel like this is pretty much protecting the air that's going in. So, I'm definitely going to be taking this off to allow more air to, you know, get into the system so the car can breathe a lot better. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, to be honest, the way this portion is engineered, I don't think you can really make any modifications to it. I looked at a few videos of Anderson. I don't know how you did it, but I can tell on one of your videos you have some sort of a 90-degree silicone tubing attached to the throttle body, and I wasn't too sure. I think you were using I'm not sure, but if anything, you can DM me on how you did it. I also saw that you took this resonator tubing off. I did some research also on that. Would definitely love to talk to you about that also. But this right here, yeah, I don't know how a consistent 3-inch, if you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, this going all the way back there and attaching to the throttle body, and then this attaching to it and coming all the way out here. But yeah, this is it, guys. So I'll go ahead and take this off. If you guys wanted to do the same thing, also be very careful how you take this off, because you know, you can easily break it, but I'll go ahead and take that off and show you guys how it looks like. All right, so this is how this looks like. You guys know what I mean. All right, let's go ahead and attach this on here. All right, check it out. This is how it's looking so far. I mean, pretty much, this is the end result. Obviously, it's got a shield right here and right here, just to keep hot air from going in. You guys saw the hole that, you know, goes through from the side of the fender into the intake and back there. So this is pretty much the best you can get out of this. Yeah, there's not much really that you can do apart from this setup. I haven't really seen anything online, but this is the most efficient way. The next step will be the exhaust system. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But alright guys, pretty much short video. I've concluded the intake here just to show you guys exactly what I'm using and, you know, how you can go about, you know, installing an intake on the ML55. But stay tuned for future videos on the next step. I believe the next thing will be like exhaust, and then we'll go ahead and go with the stage 1 tune. With the exhaust, most likely gonna remove the secondary cats and the middle portion. I believe that's the resonator. Replace that with some sort of muffler on there. We'll see what I go with, but just to give it a nice tone, nothing too crazy. I've done a lot of videos, searches on these cars, and nothing really sounds that great at all. Anderson just posted his. His actually sounds really good, so I'll go ahead and do the same setup, but his, it's gonna be a little bit different. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking for the exhaust, the secondary, and then taking off the midsection resonator and going from there. And after that, we'll go ahead and get the stage 1 tune flashed on the ML. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the like button on this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.